Good evening, everyone. It is 8:08, and it is not great. It is raining out, but we do have sun. OMG, the sun is shining down the valley towards Peachland. Oop. A little bit over there. It is +9. It looks like there might be some snow up in the mountains up there, but we have sunshine there. Unbelievable. Anyways, just a quick little update. You can see the mountain there. That's where the 2003 fire went through, from across the lake in Peachland all the way across down towards Black Mountain area out there. Burned 200 or so houses. Anyways, there's Cedar Creek Wineries out there that way. Those dark gray buildings above the white ones there. Anyways, take care, stay safe. Crazy day today. Leave you with this little picture of sunshine. Peace out.